Academy has been a wonderful place for me and my family. My son started here last year and we've seen him grow in ways that we never imagined.
I'm so happy that I can bring my child here every day and he enjoys what he does, and the teachers are amazing. The annual fund helps keep those good teachers. It helps strengthen our community. It helps in every way.
Participation in the annual fund helps us go from a strong community to a vibrant community with more opportunities for our students.
The Parent to Parent Challenge was created this year by a group of very generous parents that will donate $12,500 once we meet 60% participation by parents in the annual fund. We'd love it if you'd help us meet this goal. If you can, now is the time. Please donate to the annual fund. It really doesn't matter how much you give, it just matters that you give and you participate in the challenge.
I can see the far-reaching effects of parent participation.
It's really important to show our support for our school and the mission of the school.
It really has the ability to enrich the WA experience, to take it from being good or excellent to stupendous, and that's what we all want for our kids.
The Parent to Parent Challenge is connected to this year's annual fund, which culminates on Founders Day, February 28th.
Any amount counts. Your participation is at the heart of this challenge.